Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the iOS 26 unable to verify update error on your iPhone. If you are stuck with this issue, don't worry, I will walk you through some simple solutions that actually work. Let's get started. Solution number 1. Check your Wi-Fi network. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on Wi-Fi. Turn Wi-Fi off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. A stable connection is required to verify the update. Solution number 2. Update your iOS software. Go to Setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Sometimes the error show up because you are not on the list build. Solution number 3. Check date and time setting. Open the Setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Select date and time. Make sure Set Automatically is turned on. A wrong date or time can block Apple service from verifying the update. Solution number 4. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. These clear mirror glitches that may stop the update from verifying. And that's it. Guys, try this method and your iPhone should update without the unable to verify update error. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more iPhone tips and fixes. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.